Of all the things one can do as a designer, an engineer, or an architect, working with cardboard surely isn't the easiest thing. Not because of the material itself, but because of its perception. Still, we love what we do, contributing to a greener and better world by using recyclable materials only. Cardboard can do so much, yet we haven't really reached its full potential. Even after working with it for over a decade, we still discover new possibilities, new approaches to design, and exciting ways to improve. And as questions around durability, fire retardancy, and water resistance are easily solvable today, we see more and more companies using green, sustainable solutions, taking advantage of the very best paper can do. Not just the best for them, but for the planet as a whole. Over the years, we built small things and we built big things. We created dome structures covering very large footprints and built trade shows up to 20,000 square feet or 1,700 square meters using cardboard only. We hung heavy monitors into cardboard walls, and we even hung in them ourselves. And we never got to a point where we thought, this cannot be done in paper. Still, we keep wondering how much further we can push the limits of what we do, how high we can go, how much faster we can build. And we're happy to see that not only we work hard on this, but countless cardboard design studios and print companies around the globe, serving their clients and customers in the best possible way, never compromising on sustainability, never compromising on design. In the world of trade shows and events today, cardboard is not only an alternative, but often the very best choice for a project, with only our imagination limiting us. And we are thankful for being able to contribute to a better, greener, and more beautiful tomorrow, alongside our clients, friends, and partners around the world.